This is another easy step-by-step tutorial on how you can achieve these lovely sweet brows. To start up with this tutorial, we just need few things. I have my edge control, I have my spoolie, I have my eye pencil very sharp, I have my makeup brush, I have my powder palette, and also my concealer. First thing that we need to do is to brush up our eyebrow that has been shaped and carved properly using the edge control. You can use eyebrow gel if you have, but I use edge control. The reason why we are using this eyebrow gel or edge control is to make it to stay in a place. After you've done that, you then use your brush and your powder palette just to remove all shines from your brows. Just kick your powder and then you dust it off. Now, to draw your eyebrow, you just have to place your pencil close to your nose. That's where you will get the beginning of your brow, and then make an arc more like a 45 degree. You get where the arc is, the peak of your brow, and then you reduce it and get where it's your brow should end. Then when drawing your eyebrow, you need to start from the beginning close to your nose. Depending on how your eyebrow is, just start following closely to your natural eyebrow. If you look closely, you'll see that my own is just so close, very close to my natural eyebrow. If you follow the shape of your eyebrow, you'll get what you are looking for. To draw your upper part of the eyebrow, you just have to also follow the same shape of your natural eyebrow. The main reason why we always say follow the shape of your natural eyebrow is so that it will not be too bold. Your makeup can come out to be clean and smooth, but your eyebrow can spoil your makeup. Yes, if you did not draw a proper good eyebrow, it can spoil a very nice, smooth, soft glam that you did. So you just have to follow your natural eyebrow to get the beginning, the peak, and the end of your eyebrow. Next thing to do is to start filling in your eyebrow. First off, you fill the lower part of it so that it will rhyme up. Coming to the front, you just have to use a stroke line so that it will not be too thick or too busy. It will still have that natural look. You get, it will still have that natural look, not the one that used to be block form, but it will have that seamless natural look, not like it's you use eye pencil or eyebrow gel. You just have to use a stroke line. It will give you that natural look. And if you have been watching till this point and you are not my subscriber, I guess this is a good time for you to subscribe to my channel, because I'll be dropping so many tutorials, makeup tutorials, eyeshadow tutorials, different ways for you to achieve a seamless, smooth, soft glam, bridal makeup, traditional marriage makeup, birthday makeup, any kind of makeup on this channel. So you wouldn't want to miss any of them. And also there will be fun times on this channel. So if you're not my subscriber, I guess this is a good time for you to subscribe to my channel, which is free, and also turn on your notification bell so that you will not be missing any of my videos once I drop them. If there's anything that is confusing, you can drop the question under the comment section and I will attend to it. I'm doing the second brow so that you'll see how it is as well. One thing I will tell you as a beginner is that your brows can never be perfect as a beginner. Even as a pro, one brow always tends to be more finer or more beautiful than the other one. But what we are trying to achieve is for it to have identical look. We are not a photocopy machine. Now this is the eyebrow without concealing. Very clean, very nice. At this point, I am concealing the eyebrow, that is outlining it, removing every single mistake that is not there. You need a flat brush. You need a flat brush or flat angled brush. As a beginner, I will advise you use a flat angled brush. When I mean flat, I mean very flat. Okay, you use it. Use a concealer that is lighter than your skin tone for the under eye to conceal. Please, when you are concealing, use light-handed motion. Don't be too hard. Be careful, because at this point you can either spoil your eyebrow or make it look good. You can either spoil it or make it look good.
Practice, they say, makes perfect. I remember when I used to take 30 minutes to draw my eyebrow and I wouldn't even get it. So practice and then you will get what you're looking for. Always practice, keep trying and you'll get there. When it comes to the front part of my eyebrow, that is close to my nose at the beginning of my eyebrow, I'm using a different shade of concealer, but what I use here is my foundation that is the exact skin tone of mine, right? So that there will be no harsh line after the concealing. After you are done concealing, you can use your beauty blush or your beauty sponge to blend out the concealer that you use to conceal your eyebrow. You can also conceal your upper part of your eyebrow, but I did not do mine because I just like how the shape is. When you are done, you just blend it out and then take a look at the finished look. You see how it is? Very seamless and very identical. Thank you very much for watching and see you on the next one. Bye.